Okay, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning everyone. Okay, so today we're gonna we're gonna learn about on how you need to draw the storyboard for your application. Okay, for this lab, there are 4 of you that taking creative design, right? Who's
Yes.
taking creative design? Okay, so at least you get the idea on how to making the storyboard. So the storyboard is the same with the creative design, but the difference is for this AR application, we're gonna making a storyboard for mobile application. Okay, so let me present now. Okay, here I show to you the example of the storyboard. Okay, so basically the storyboard is like this. Okay, this one the user making a proper user interface, which is he making the phone, the phone interface. Okay, so in our class basically we didn't do like this. This one is very nice and very perfect lah for me. Okay, so actually the student before this doing in the AR paper, so I don't have their work. So I will show you one of them they send me to the email, which is he using what wait. Okay, can you see this one?
Yes.
The Asmaul Husna.
Not
Okay.
yet. I still see the coin.
Okay, wait. Okay, did you see?
Can.
Okay. So this student actually he register for the AR quite late. So he didn't know that we already making the AR the storyboard in AR paper. So he making like this. Okay. So okay, so nasib baiklah ada juga salah seorang yang hantar macam ni, dapatlah tunjuk. Okay, so here we can see that this student application is like this one. The main interface of his application, which is Asmaul Husna flashcard and about. Okay, so after the user click Asmaul Husna, it will go to this one, this interface, and then once the user click on play, and it will go to another word of Asmaul Husna. Okay, so if he stop, and then I think it will go back to this one. Okay, so here there like like menu, like I think this student making this one as a button, and then once the user click the button, it will appear this interface. Okay, this one Asmaul Husna flashcard and about. Okay, and then for this flashcard, okay, after the user click the flashcard, and then it will go to the AR scene. Okay, this one is actually it will stand for AR camera, which is a scan for this flashcard, and then it will appear this one, and then it when the user click this face, it will appear the audio aid. Okay, actually this application already changed. Okay, actually once the user click for this one, it will appear a small of little ada budak kecil lah kat situ muncul 3D kids that will that will ni lah dia akan baca zikir ni. Okay, so and then when user click about and it will go to the about. Okay. Okay, and then okay. So your first task is you need to do this this storyboard. Okay, you can use either like this or you can make it like this. Wait. Okay, actually I already done one of them. Tak tahu nampak ke tak ni. Sekejap Okay, I will send to you to the WhatsApp group because this one the what the word terbalik pula. Okay, so I already making one example. So I will send to the WhatsApp group, so you can refer to that. Okay, so you have two choice whether you want to making like that one that I show just now, or you need you just draw in the paper. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay. And then okay, that's the storyboard, and the other one is flow chart for user interface. Okay, I will present to you. Okay, this one. Okay, can you see this one?
Can.
Okay, so later on, next week, I want all of you to present your user interface and your storyboard. Present So you write your name and then your metric number and then your title of application so that I will know which application is yours. Okay, so okay like this one. Okay. Sekejap, Prof record tak Okay, Prof dah record dah. Okay, so okay. Start with the start and then end with the end. Okay, make sure you using the capital letter. Okay, start. Okay, for this one, okay, you do like this. Is it this one will be the same as your your storyboard. Okay, which is main menu. You just write here main menu and then in main menu there info and then the 3D view of machine manual and exit. Okay. Okay, so okay, can you see actually? Macam nak besarkan ni. Okay. Okay, actually the arrow for this one is there are two arrow here, which mean that once the user click info and then it will come up in text form, which is about the info of the application. So the meaning of two arrow is once it will have a back button, so that after the user click on info and then the info will appear and then the back button to them to go to the info back in main menu. Okay, so it indicated as a back. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the second button is a 3D view of machine. Okay, so once the user click the 3D view of machine, and then okay here she write marker on catalog. So meaning that the marker is the marker of the AR AR camera is on the catalog. So once the button scan, okay, scan and then AR button, AR camera, and it will appear the 3D model and also animation and audio. So I want all of you to do like this. If you have okay, maybe your idea is once the user scan and it will come up with the 3D model, and okay, and then what, info or text. Okay, so okay, for this student, actually dia she have nine model for the machine. So she just use this one. But when she explained to me, she will state that there are 9 model for this catalog in this catalog. Okay. So make sure you didn't miss the AR camera, which is the user and also all of us know that in here their AR camera will come out. Okay. So and the last one is machine manual. Okay. So machine manual same. The marker on catalog and then scan, and then it will come out the AR camera, and then it will have a video for this one. Okay, so this one also there are 9 video for this student. Okay, okay. From here we can see that oh macam simple kan, tapi sebenarnya dia ada 9 video, dan ni ada 9 model, and the model she created by herself in in Blender. Okay, and then I will show you another student. Okay, like this one. Okay, this one a bit confusing, and okay. Okay, this one. Okay, this student making, okay, once you see the organ, of course, medic kan, medic. Okay, so, wait. Okay, so let me see the flowchart of the student. Okay, first start, and then in main menu, it will have intro. Okay, here she didn't put in intro, they will have a text or a video. So I want all of you to put, okay, once the user click intro, and then it will go to intro, and then at the bottom of this intro, make sure you state that the text or a video or animation or maybe, okay, so that I know that what you gonna do, and what user also know how your application, and also with your co-supervisor, they will at least they will understand your application. Okay, so here the organ, then in once the user click organ, it will appear heart, bones, and menu. Menu is stand for, it will back to this one. Actually, you should not put this one. Okay, so once the user click heart, okay, so it will appear the definition, image, video, and for their scan button maybe, or maybe they will having a camera symbol. So once the user click the scan, it will go to AR camera and will come out with the 3D model, audio, or animation. Okay, this one, once you put this one, meaning that maybe you will put animation, maybe you will put audio. Okay, so for this one, this application, it have a quiz. So quiz, a question, mean audio, and okay, this one you should not put. Okay, so okay, this one also actually the arrow is not like this. It should be like the first one that I show to you. Okay, like this one. This one is correct.
Kak Tira,
Yeah.
nanti Kak Tira bagi tak ni contoh flowchart ni kat kita orang?
Boleh lah nak bagi. Yeah, I will email to all of you lah.
Okay,
I
thank
will
you.
Send this one because this one is perfect. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Okay. And then okay. I want to show to you. Okay, this student. Okay. Okay, this student. I think yeah. He a bit rajin. So he put more detail on his flow chart. Okay, here. Okay, here. Okay, it's not. This one is wrong. Should be start and then it will end here. Okay. So okay, start open apps. Okay. And then project title start about exit. Okay, so once press about button and it will go to about menu and also have a faculty info button, credit button. Okay, so you can do like this also. This one is more detailed, but okay, this one a bit confusing if you okay, like this one press lecture room button and you put everything in here, AR camera plus AR 2D animation, so and then the button and backs. Actually I understand what he mean which is in this interface they will AR with 2D animation, but the user will not understand what you want to what you want to apa yang korang nak bagi tahu kat user lah. Okay. So better you do like the first one that I show to you, which is their AR button, and it will appear what? A 3D model, a 2D animation. Okay. So okay. Okay, wait. Okay. So I show to you back for this okay, for this storyboard. Okay. Okay. So I think all of you already discussed with your client, right? And already have and at least some idea and also the input from the client, so that did you know what you should do?
A little bit.